Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back to our next session of Math Chapter 2 Shapes and Angles. In previous chapter, we have covered how to know the closed and open shapes, right? Second, we have learned about angle tester. Then we have learned about angle garden. These topics we have covered. Now today our topics to be covered are making a degree clock. Second is angle in a paper airplane. Then angles in yoga, and the last is vegan. This many topics are to be covered today. So let's proceed. So let's start with our next topic is angle and time. Here two girls are there. In that one is Jinnat, and Jinnat's friend is asking a question to her that Jinnat, your watch does not have the digits. मतलब आपकी वॉच में डिजिट्स नहीं है. हाउ डू यू रीड द टाइम? तो जिन्नत, हाउ यू आर रीडिंग द टाइम? यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स आप सबने वॉच देखी होगी. वो वॉच में डिजिट्स, न्यूमेरिकल डिजिट्स लिखे होते हैं 1 to 12. बट हियर द वॉच विच शी इज हैविंग, जन्नत इज हैविंग, उसमें क्लॉक नंबर्स नहीं दिए हुए. इट्स नॉट अ न्यूमेरिकल. सो नाउ जन्नत इज रिप्लाइंग, आई जस्ट सी द एंगल्स. मैं सिर्फ एंगल्स देखती हूँ. See, when the hands make a right angle, I know it is a 9 o'clock. Means she is saying कि मेरे हैंड में जो क्लॉक है उसमें न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं है. तो मैं जब my clock makes right angle means in the L shape, so it's 9 o'clock. मैं ये देख लेती हूँ. So now on this basis we have to solve the question. So let's start the question. First is, there are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. So now you draw some more. Means कि ऐसे बहुत सारे टाइम आवर्स होते हैं डे में जिसमें राइट एंगल बन सकता है. तो हमें ये बनाना है फ्रॉम इन दिस थ्री पिक्चर. The first clock is given. In that we can make a right angle on the basis of, can I take the first angle of 3 o'clock where the hour hand is on the 3 and minute hand is on the 12. Means it is forming a L shape, so it is right angle. If you are looking at a second clock, in that if I am taking a time as 6:15, so first my hour hand will be on the 6 and second minute hand will be on the 3. Means it is also making a right angle L shape. So 6:15 is also shows the a right angle. And let's come to the third clock. In that, suppose I'm taking my minute hand on the 10 and my hour hand on the 10 and minute hand on the 1, means 10:05. So this is also makes a right angle. It's forming a L shape. So this is also this is also a right angle. Coming to the next question is, write what kind of angle is made by the hands at this times. Also write the time. Means कि the pictures which is given over here, in that we have to see कि कौन से kind के angles बना रहे हैं ये, whether it is a right angle, whether it is obtuse angle, whether it is acute angle. So we have to see that, and we have to write the time also. So let's see the first watch. In the first watch, my hour hand is on 7 and my minute hand is on 5. So the timing is 7:25. Now I have to see that whether it is making a right angle. No, it is not making a right angle, but it is a less than a right angle. So it is my acute angle. Okay. Second is, if I'm coming to the second clock, so in this my hour hand is on 8 and my minute hand is on 3, so it is 8:15. So it is more than a right angle. If I'm taking a 8L angle, so it is more than a right angle. So it is my obtuse angle and timing is 8:15. Now, if come to the third clock, so third clock, my hour hand is on 9 and my minute hand is on the 2, means 9:10. So this is again my obtuse angle because it is more than a right angle. Now, fourth clock is the hour hand is on 9 and it is the minute hand is on 5, means 9:25. So this is also making an my obtuse angle. And the last is it shows a 10 o'clock. Hour hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 12. So it is not my right angle and it is not more than the right angle, so it is less than the right angle, means it is my acute angle. So students, do you understand how we are forming the angles and we are writing the time? Now the third question is draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle. Means we have to draw the hands of the clock and we have to see whether which angles they are making, and here something is given which is less than a right angle. Means कि हमको वैसे ही angles बनाने हैं जो less than a right angle हो, means कि acute angle हो, and we have to write the time also and also write the time. So let's see the first question. So here, for example, no, let me take my hour hand is on 6 and my minute hand on 20 and on 5. So 6:25 will form less than a right angle, means it is a 6:25 and acute angle, right? Next is it will form a 6:15 and on the right angle, but as we have to show the less than a right angle, so timing will be 6:25. Next is if I'm taking a 2 o'clock, so 2 o'clock will be my right angle, no, my 3 o'clock will be my right angle, but I have to show the less than a right angle. So I'm taking an example of my hour hand will be on 2 and my minute hand will be on 1. If my minute hand will be on 3, so it will be L shape for 2 o'clock, but I have taken the minute hand on the 1, so it is my 2:5, which is less than a right angle. Now third is, for as I've told you, for 3 o'clock, so I'm taking here 3:20. Hour hand will be on 3 and minute hand will be on 20. So 3:20 is also one of the less than a right angle. So students, here we have learned the angles which makes a less than a right angle. Now next come to the degree clock. We'll see how the degree clock is formed. Now degree clock. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Students, you all must played the carom board in this lockdown period. You have played carom board at your home. So here the Appu is hitting a striker. Means कि जो कैरम बोर्ड का जो सर्कल शेप का the biggest stone is the striker. So he has hit the striker and now the friend of him is Kittu is saying ki, is it come back in the same angle? So here we have to see if I am hitting a striker. So does the striker come back in the same angle? So there is one activity is given over here on the below of the page number 13. So let's see. In the picture, 3 points are there, A, B, C. Okay. So draw the line to show from which point the Kittu should hit to get the queen. मीन्स किट्टू कौन से पॉइंट से स्ट्राइकर को हिट कर सकता है फॉर गेटिंग द क्वीन. सो द पिक्चर ऑफ कैरम इज गिवन and let's do the activity first. So here the 3 points are given, A, B, C, and one angle is also given, and opposite sides we need to see. So let's start with the first C. If I am pointing out from a C, so no, the angle which is shown over the Kittu side is not the same angle by making of C. So I am coming to the angle B. If from B I am making a line, so this is a little less the angle which is already given. So this is also not the same if he wants to get the striker back, queen back. So the third is point A. So yes, now if I have drawn the line, so this are making the same angles, if you can see, and it's making a circle also over here. So this is the same angle. So from point A, the Kittu can get the striker back. So if you want, you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock also. And degree clock is mentioned as the dot above the number. सो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हमने देखा कि हाउ वी कैन राइट अ डिग्री क्लॉक और डिग्री से हम कैसे एंगल मेजर कर सकते हैं. नाउ so students, let's do the practice of question number 13 which is given in your workbook on the page number 30. Okay, here I am going to explain you 5 sums. Rest of the sums you have to solve by your own in your workbook. But before proceeding further, let me explain you as I have told you degree. So degree is a symbolic, we are writing the dot number over a number, means 45 if I am taking, so 45 is a number over a dot is a symbol of degree. Another example if I am taking is 67. So 67 is a number over a dot is a degree. This is 67 degree. Here let's read the question, that is tick in the table on the basis of measures of angles given below. Here measures of angles given below means here the few measurements are given. There we have to see whether it is a right angle, whether it is a less than a right angle, or whether it is a more than a right angle. We have to see. Do remember, here the right angle means the L shape and 90 degree we have to consider, right? So the first one is 30 degree which is given in the book to you. 30 degree is a right angle. No, it is not a right angle. Is it a less than a right angle? Yes, it is a less than a right angle. Is it a more than a right angle? No, because it is a 30 number is a less than a 90. Okay, now more than a right angle is the measurement which is more than the 90 degree. So here the number is 30, so it is less than a right angle. The next is 74. 74 we have to see. Is it a right angle? No, it is a less than a right angle. So we can tick over here. It is not the right angle and it is not more than a right angle. Now 95. 95 is more than 90, right? So we will tick in the third column, and first and second column will put hyphen, means the dash. Now the fourth number is 120. 120 is right angle? No, because it is a 90 degree. Here less than a 90 degree. So here we will put dash. 120 is more than a right angle. Now 90 degree. So as I have told you, right angle means the L shape form. You have to remember. You have to memorize this thing. 90 means our right angle. So we're going to take over here and you are going to put the hyphen. As I have told you clearly that the 5 sums I have taught you over here and next 5 you have to solve in your book.